Hello. Sorry for bothering you. Your house is spectacular, and I just want to know, what do you do for a living?
Got it in a divorce settlement.
Wow, amazing.
Clean and sleek. It's so hot, I'm melting.
Sorry for bothering you. Your house is beautiful, and I just want to know, what do you do for a living?
Hi, you're the guy, right?
Yeah, I'm the guy.
International Health and Life Insurance.
Wow, man, you're doing phenomenal.
Thank you
I
very
appreciate
much.
it.
Am I in the jungle? This place is so unique.
Your house is incredible here, and is it your house?
No, it's my dad.
Okay, cool. What does your dad do for a living?
Investment banking.
Wow, man, awesome. Thank you so much. Hello. Sorry for disturbing you. Your house is spectacular, and I'm just really curious, what do you do for a living?
Well, I had a software company that I sold to a large U.S. company.
Okay, wow, man. Thank you so much. Hi, sorry for disturbing you. Your house is gorgeous.
Thank you.
I just want to know, what do you do for a living?
I'm a business executive for an insurance company.
Okay, man, you're doing great.
Awesome, thank you. Are you that TikTok guy?
Yes, I am, man.
Awesome. I'm watching videos.
Hi.
Sorry for disturbing you. Your house is super cool. Do your parents own this place?
Yeah, well, I do. Well, at least I like to think that.
Wow, okay. So what do you do for a living then?
I'm a triple threat.
Triple threat. Okay, wow. Hey there. Sorry for bothering you. Your cars are incredible, man, and your house is beautiful.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, I just want to know, what do you do for a living?
I own an exotic car company.
Wow, that makes sense, man. Awesome.
Aren't you curious what this person does?
Sorry for bothering you. Your house is incredible, and I just want to know, what do you do for a living?
I work for the government.
Wow, awesome job. Thank you.
Thank you.
This place looks like a castle.
Sorry for bothering you, man. Your house is spectacular, and I just want to know, what do you do for a living?
I sell fantasies.
Wow, that sounds fantastic, man. That's awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bothering you. Your house is breathtaking, and I just want to know, what do you do for a living?
We're in the weed business.
Wow, that's awesome. Living the high life. Thank you.
Can I help you?
Yeah, sorry. Your house here is spectacular, and I just want to know, what do you guys do for a living?
What do we do for a living? Okay, tell them what we do.
I make music. You
Make
know?
music,
Okay.
vending machines, selling PPE across the globe, medical distribution. That's how we landed here.
Awesome.
Right.
You guys are doing great.
Have a good day, man.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Hello. Sorry for disturbing you. Your house is amazing, and the cars are equally as awesome. Just really curious, what is it all worth?
Well, the cars are worth about $2 million. The house is worth about $2.5.
Wow. Oh my God. So what do you do for a living?
I'm an optician. I have optical outlets.
Wow, man. You're doing excellent. I really appreciate you. Thank you.
All right, have a good one.
Bye-bye. Hello. Sorry for disturbing you. I love your home, and I'm just curious, what is it roughly worth?
It's more than 2 million.
Amazing, man. Okay, so what do you do for a living?
So I'm a businessman. I have a couple of companies.
What do you do?
It's into manufacturing.
Yeah.
I have Olympic tool and die,
Yeah.
Olympic scientific car.
Okay.
To healthcare sector.
Awesome, man. You're doing really great. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Sorry for disturbing you. Your house is super unique, and I just wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
We own 4 dental practices.
Wow, okay. Awesome.
Looks like you could use our services.
What? Okay. Hello. Sorry for bothering you. Your house is beautiful, and I'm just...
fucking recording me, Crody.
So I just want to know, what do you do for a living?
OnlyFans, baby. I'm fucking
Oh my god! Wow, amazing.
Alright, get the fuck out of here.
Okay, bye. Thank you. Sorry for bothering you. Your house is super dope, and I just want to know, what do you do for a living?
I resell shoes.
Resell shoes. Okay, wow.
Help you?
Yeah, sorry for disturbing you. Your house is spectacular, and I just wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
Oh my gosh, I know you.
Really? Okay.
I'm a technology consultant and got some hobbies as well.
Cool. All right. What are your hobbies?
Oh man, you'll be stuck here forever. Just come on in, take a look yourself, man. This is,
Really?
I'm honored.
Okay. Sorry for bothering you. Your house is beautiful.
Okay.
And I just want to know, what do you do for a living?
Oh, I sell houses. What do you do?
I ask people what they do for a
I have
living.
to ask you too.
Classic Miami vibes.
Your house is beautiful, and I just want to know, what do you do for a living?
I sell internet
S-
to the government.
Wow, that's amazing.
Love all the greenery.
Your parents own this place?
Yeah.
What do your parents do for a living?
My dad grows garden roses.
Oh man, awesome.
Do you want one?
Sure, cool. Take care.